How to send high quality photos or videos on Viber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device, then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Media in here. After you're in Media, you'll find Photo Quality at the top. Click on it. Then choose the quality of the photos you send will pop up. Click on Excellent. After you've clicked on Excellent and make sure there's dot, you're good to go. Excellent is 650 KB. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to send high quality photos or videos on Viber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.